Portions in West Texas that were under a blizzard warning. We reported early this morning 7 degrees in other parts of the state, and right now we're looking at an evening that could get even colder, breaking historic temperatures.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure.
Hello guys, this is Binti Karuga again. As you can see, I'm so excited. Today is a beautiful day here in Texas. We are having snow. As you can see, how I'm wearing like I'm going to climb the mountain, but it's the cold. It's so cold, guys. Wow, this is how it is. So come with me and take a walk on my compound when it's snowy, guys. Okay, see you then. Hi guys. Now this is me. I'm putting some gloves, guys. It's very cold. It's very cold, guys. You know, here in Texas, we don't here in Texas we don't have snow, guys. Today is it's blowing so cold, so cold. Here in Texas, we don't have snow, and today is on a Wednesday. It started cold Tuesday night. Today, when is today? What's the date today? Is it 2nd or 3rd? Yeah, today I think it's 2nd of February. Yeah, and we experienced snow. Last year it was very, very much. The school are closed like almost like 3 days. We couldn't walk, we couldn't go to work. I didn't go to work for 3 days, guys. But this one of this year, 2022, it's a lot, but it's not a lot. Oh my. Last year it was worse. Last year it was worse. But now, this one is just a little bit. So people are going to work, but the schools are closed. So here in our school district, it was closed for 2 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Children, they didn't go to school on our district. And now you can see how it is. As here in Dallas, in Texas, it's a very big deal to us. But somewhere like Iowa, my friend is in Iowa. So since December, they have been having snow like 8 inch, 14 inch. That's a lot of snow. So for us, this one compared to them is like a dust. Guys, you see, this is the whole compound. This is the whole compound over here. This is where I live. So this is where I live, guys. You can see all this is snow. I think this is how it's going to be in heaven, you know, when we hear God clean our sins so we can be clean as a snow. This is how snow look like. It's very clear. Those who are from Africa, like I am, I'm from Kenya, Africa, we never see snow. So when I see this kind of snow, guys, I'm so excited. I jump up, I feel good because we never saw snow. We just hear it from the TV. If you can't hear me very well, I'm trying to cover my face because my face has started getting numb. It's extremely cold. That's why I like Dallas, because you know, you can imagine the cars are completely covered up, and you can imagine those people who live in Iowa, like my friend, those who live in Pennsylvania. You wake up every morning like this, you have to clear your driveway because the car can't, whatever, from the ground to the snow is like all over. It's taller than you, so you can imagine getting out from the parking, how it look like, guys. Hey, that's how it is. People are enjoying this one. People are enjoying the snow, and they are feeling so good, guys. This is my apartment. How many minutes is this? Because I can't see. Huh? 4 minutes. Guys. My hands are getting numb now. It's like a frostbite. Oh, Lord. Guys, when you see this video, by faith, you have to subscribe to this channel. If you are watching me and you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this time you have to subscribe, because it's very, I'm freezing. I'm out here freezing. Remember, you cannot be out at this time, because it's you see here, this is where I get my mail, you see. So let me see you guys as I walk here. So here, the people who are from Africa, we go to the post office. Here, remember, I stay somewhere down here, there where I came from. I came walking, and then I come over here. If you have the car, you stop your car here. You put Hassan, you come here, and then you come here. That's where we get our meals, guys. So all this here, you can just come over here and get your mail. You go to your box, you get your mail. You have your keys. Everybody has their keys. That's our swimming pool over there, guys. But now you can go. It's very cold. You can't even try. It's very, very cold. So that's where we get our meals. But if you have, remember, guys, I did a video about getting your parcel from Amazon. The Amazon people, they come over here. Remember the other one, I was there behind, but now here is the Amazon. Ham is from Amazon. So like today, my daughter has already told me she has a parcel. So I will come over here. She will scan the code and get it. You guys, if you have not seen that video, go down below and you'll see it, and and check it. So I don't live far away from the road and from the shop. Oh guys, I'm now my hands, Jesus, my hands are now freezing. Oh my. Now you remember, I'm going very carefully. You see here, let me show you. You see, like here, if you step here, we will just slide and take your hand up really good. See here, it's very difficult to walk here. That's why I'm trying to avoid there. So when you hear me saying I'm trying to cover myself. So down there, that's where the shops are. So I can just go walk toward Kroger, because if you look somewhere there, you can see the word Kroger. That's where I can go. Kroger is a shop where I can just walk there and get some grocery. I like to go to Kroger because they always have fresh stuff, guys. So most of my oranges, my bananas, carrots, I got it there at Kroger. Oh wow. You guys, you don't know, my apartment is just opposite the stadium. I have somewhere here I can just come and take a walk. I'm just behind the stadium, a huge stadium here, a very huge stadium right there. And you see here, it's very beautiful. Everywhere gosh, we need to go back. My hands now are burning up. Oh, guys, I removed one of my gloves. so that I can start the camera. And then I remove it, but now it's kind of I feel like you know guys from Africa, you can understand, but you feel like you frostbite. I don't know how you can call it. From like when we used to go to school in the morning, it's very cold, and then you get to school and the teacher said, oh, you are late, bring your hands. That is time when you get that stroke pain in the morning. Oh, it's used to hurt. That's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like somebody is beating me up on my on my fingers. Oh, I needed to go back. I needed to go back in the house and get warm myself up, because I'm feeling my arms are coming out, guys. I live in a beautiful apartment. Those, you can see those beautiful apartment, but guys, I'm thinking like I can come out here because it can be becoming very, very expensive, guys. Anyway, bye for now. And please, if you watch this video, you have to subscribe, guys, because wow, I have sacrificed a lot to come out of this call. You guys, you see, you can't see people, you just see cats because people are in the house relaxing. And now, bye for now. I love you all. Bye.